Hello, in this video, I will show you how to manually create a calibration from already measured standards. In the calibration window, start with an empty calibration file opened, or created. Open the first standard. To add all integrated peaks, use the Add All function. The peaks will appear in the calibration summary table. Then you can rename the compounds. Compound names are the same for all levels in the calibration, they are filled in only once. Fill in respective amounts of the compounds. This has to be done for every level in the calibration. Now the first level is completed. We will move on to second level. Open the second standard. Check the settings in the toolbar, it should be level 1, automatic and calibration. If you want to add only already added compounds, not all integrated peaks, use the Add Existing function instead of Add All. Calibration summary table has been automatically switched to the second level. Again, fill in the respective amounts of the compounds. Now, switch to the chromatogram window, where the chromatogram with this calibration linked is opened. The compounds are named and the results are calculated. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.